Hey guys, what's up? Hey, earlier today I installed this trunk mat, and it includes the backrest mat. And this is from Tesery, and so I got it from their online store, and it is really nice. And I go over the whole install, so check it out. But if you skip ahead, just make sure you check the description down below, and go use my affiliate link. And then when you check out, use the coupon code Zuki, Z-U-K-I, and then leave me a comment and let me know what kind of discount they gave you. Okay, so I'm just curious, so let's get to it. Let's check out the install video. All right, let's open this dude up. See what we got. Careful not to go down to puncture the inside. Tell you what, the one coming out of this box, it's very well secured, taped up here. So give credit to Tesery. They did a great job getting this packaged and sent out. So here it is. Oh, we got the cargo mat. This thing, I'll leave it set out for a little bit, get the wrinkles out of it. So we'll get this laid out on the floor over here. All right guys, there it is out of the packaging. It's just a nice rubber mat. And see, they even have the folds here, so when you lift up your compartments, the Tesla, it can adapt and move with your car. So that was good thinking. And this just pretty much lays in here. And then these, are for your center section, your seats, but on the back of them, they got some little Velcro. These will fix too. So that's it. Let's get this thing put in the car. All right, guys, 95 degrees here, Central Ohio. Laid this out in the sun, so nice hot sun's got it flattened right out. Just iron that packaging, creases right out of it. So now I'm going to go throw it in the Tesla. All right, first, I think I'm going to try to lay these seats down, but you can see it's just going to cover this whole back section. Like I said, it's got the creases for the partitions. If you do want to move this, you can put your little cargo hider thing in there with it. It won't affect that. I just took it out for the install. And the mats are nice because they do have that opening in the center for your release there, your little center fold down backrest, and then all the anchors are still exposed. They got the cutouts for car seats. So here we go. Let me throw this in here real quick. All right, so let's just start by folding our seats down. Get those nice and flat. Let me grab this liner. All right, there we go. I think I got the grass off of it. So just position this in here like so. Got my side doors opened up, so make it easier for me to work. All you gotta do is line these holes up, get this right on the edge. If you take your time, you can line it up make it just look like a perfect factory finish. So this side's nice and lined up. Get this loose, try to line this up, these holes. It looks really good. I'm really impressed with how this is lining up. And we go around to the other side. Try to get this one. Try to get this more centered up. That looks good. Get this side lined up. Try to get it as close to that side as I can, keeping them the same. For the uniform consistency, we want that factory look effect. That looks really good. This one might come up a hair more. There we go. Sometimes you just don't know what it's going to turn out like until you do it. I'll grab the camera and show you guys. I just want you to see the process. of me putting it in, what to expect when you get one of these. Yeah, it's really nice. Okay, let's see what it looks like when we bring the seats back up. Really good. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's probably hard here. Let me grab this camera. Okay, as we get in here, it'll line up for you. So there it is. It's nice and flat, fits really well in here. Got the little sides there. You can see how these turned out. I mean, they'll go right where you put them. So I'm pretty happy with that. I mean, you could adjust them more. This was for a quick install, but overall, man, it looks really good. I'm impressed with it. So raise it down. See, they left this flexible, this piece here. Let's go around, look at it from the other side. You want to watch your head on that thing, of course. I've already hit it a couple times, being a new Tesla owner that I am. So yeah, see what I mean? That just looks like a factory finish on that. Look at that, really good, really good. I'm impressed with it. So I'm going to go ahead and put these back up. And just leave this, call this install complete. Bam, nice. All right, now why do you need this? Let me show you. Okay, let's see why we might need this liner in this thing. What good would it do? I mean, a lot of it's pretty obvious. Got it close to that garage. A lot of it's pretty obvious, but you know, you don't want any dirt getting soaked down and ground into your carpet. So a lot of things we buy day to day can do that we don't even think about. So here's just a few examples. So if you got pets like horses, like I do, and you're out and about, you don't have your truck, you can grab horse feed, and you know, dog food, cat litter, anything like that. You know, softener, salt. Just endless. You know how dirty that stuff gets, salt. You just don't want to get ground down that carpet. And then worst of all is liquid chemicals, right? So here's the best one. You need to go get some gas for the mowers or your weed eater or whatever. There you got 2 5-gallon cans. You know, you got, of course you got vents and stuff to close these off. But still, it gives you a little secondary protection if you got some gas on the bottom, or if they would happen to leak or spill out. You got a layer, right? You don't have to get that gas down in your carpeting. And when you get done, you know, you can just give it a quick shop vac, cleaning. Nice, fast, and easy. You know, I usually use a waterless wash. They make different cleaners. Not professional advice. You know, everybody's going to use what they want to use. Just make sure it's safe for your material you're using on. You know, like a vinyl or a rubber. I like to use a microfiber towel, but all that dust from the bags, it's just so easy to vacuum up, use a microfiber and clean it right up. So there it is. I hope it helps you guys, and I'll leave the link down in the description below. So just go to the link right there at the top of the description. Click on that. It's the link straight to the Tesery store. And of course, it's my link, it's affiliate link. So when you go there and you check out, use the coupon code Zuki, Z-U-K-I, and then come back to the comments, let me know what they gave you. All right, guys, thanks. Peace out.